In this module, we'll discuss workgroups in MSPComplete. Workgroups are security and billing boundaries for your customers and their assets, the agent teams that manage them, the runbooks that agents complete, the tracking of service delivery, and the reporting for cost and efficiency analysis. Agents, teams, customers, customer endpoints, and billing information are among the components that can be added to a workgroup. You will learn about these later in this course. You can create multiple workgroups and configure them in ways that work for your business. The agents, teams, customers, customer endpoints, billing information, and subscriptions you add to a workgroup cannot be moved to different workgroups. You can configure workgroups for different regions, industry segments, billing methods, and so on. Every user who registers for MSPComplete is given a default workgroup that matches their username. One common workgroup configuration can be like a software development lifecycle, where the default workgroup is used for testing and separate workgroups are created for integration and production. As you work your way through BitTitan University courses, you might also want to create a workgroup for training. Here is some additional information about managing workgroups. Because the components you add to a workgroup cannot be transferred to or shared with other workgroups, it is important that you carefully consider your business needs when configuring your workgroups. We suggest that you take inventory of your customers and your agents to determine how your workgroup should be configured. Subscriptions are confined to the workgroup for which they are purchased. So, if you have 5 agents across 3 workgroups, you will need to purchase 5 subscriptions for each workgroup. When you create a workgroup, you can define the default hourly cost for the agents in that workgroup. The hourly cost is used to calculate the cost of service delivery when those agents are assigned to complete service tasks for a customer. One more thing, workgroups can only be renamed. They cannot be deleted. You have completed this module. Take a moment to perform the lab exercise, move through the knowledge check, and review the additional resources for this module before continuing to the next module.